How was Taco Bell made? If you're at all into Mexican-style food, you're probably no stranger to Taco Bell, one of the largest and most popular fast food chains to exist, right up there alongside giants like McDonald's or KFC. A quick trip down the Taco Bell drive-thru has become so popular, in fact, that I wouldn't be surprised if any of you watching this had one the day you're watching this. With the ever-growing popularity of Taco Bell's Mexican cuisine, it really makes you wonder how it ever got to this point. If you're someone who has wondered how the burrito you enjoyed recently ended up on your plate, then this video is for you, as we'll uncover exactly how Taco Bell was made. So, let's get into it. Rise of Glenn Bell. Taco Bell, as you probably guessed, came from the mind of Glenn Bell, an American entrepreneur born in Linwood, California in 1923. Bell, like so many great fast food chain founders, displayed an early interest in the food industry, influenced by his family's hot dog stand during the challenging times of the Great Depression. This exposure is what ignited his love for culinary ventures and entrepreneurship. In the 1940s, Bell started his journey in the food business by operating a hot dog stand called Bell's Drive-In in San Bernardino, California, which turned out to be a great success. The success of Bell's Drive-In showcased his ability to identify and cater to local tastes, a skill that would go on to define his future endeavors in the fast food industry. Bell's experiences in the food industry extended beyond hot dogs. He later owned and operated a hamburger stand called Bell's Hamburgers. This was another crucial early venture that not just added to his experience working in fast food, with practical insights into the workings of the industry, but also fueled the ambition of his future prospects within fast food. Eventually, Glenn Bell made the historic decision to transition into Mexican-inspired cuisine, which was influenced by the popularity of Mexican food in the local community. Little did he know at the time that this change in his favorite cuisine would go on to become his career-making moment. The birth of Taco Bell. As I said, the idea for Taco Bell was inspired by Glenn Bell's keen observation of the local culinary scene. In the early 1960s, Mexican cuisine was gaining popularity in Southern California, and Bell saw an opportunity to bring the flavors of Mexican street food to a broader audience. His goal was to create a restaurant that offered affordable and convenient Mexican-inspired dishes in a fast food format. Building on his experience with Bell's Drive-In, Glenn Bell experimented with taco recipes and opened a small taco stand in 1954 called Bell's Tacos in San Bernardino. This early venture planted the seed for what would later become Taco Bell. Bell's Drive-In and Bell's Tacos were a testament to his entrepreneurial spirit and willingness to adapt to evolving culinary trends. At long last, the first official Taco Bell restaurant opened its doors on March 21, 1962, in Downey, California. It featured a distinctive mission-style architecture and a menu focused on affordable, Mexican-inspired fast food, including tacos, burritos, and nachos. The restaurant's popularity quickly grew, establishing Taco Bell as a unique player in the fast food landscape. To Bell, the birth of Taco Bell was not just about introducing a new menu. It was about creating a brand that would become synonymous with Mexican-inspired flavors and innovative fast food concepts. And with time, that's exactly what it did. Early menu and concept. Taco Bell's early menu focused on providing a variety of Mexican-inspired fast food options that were both affordable and flavorful. Tacos were, unsurprisingly, a centerpiece of the menu, featuring seasoned meat, lettuce, cheese, and the iconic crunchy taco shell. Other offerings included burritos, tostadas, and a selection of sides like beans and rice. This menu diversity allowed Taco Bell to appeal to a broad customer base and set itself apart from traditional fast food offerings of the time. But what truly distinguished Taco Bell from its fast food counterparts was its commitment to Mexican-inspired flavors combined with the efficiency of the fast food model. The concept of fast food with a Mexican twist allowed Taco Bell to carve out a niche in the industry. Additionally, the customization aspect, allowing customers to tailor their orders to their liking, was a really novel approach at the time that set Taco Bell even further apart from the rest and added to its early success. Taco Bell faced initial challenges as it introduced Mexican cuisine to a mainstream audience, many of whom were unfamiliar with these flavors. But nonetheless, the affordability of the menu and the speed of service seemed to resonate with consumers. The restaurant's success in Downey paved the way for rapid expansion. Taco Bell's early successes showcased the potential for a Mexican-focused fast food brand to offer unique and diverse flavors while generating mass appeal. Expansion and franchising. Following the success of the first Taco Bell restaurant in Downey, the 1960s marked a period of rapid expansion for the chain. Glenn Bell was determined to bring the unique flavors of Taco Bell to a broader audience. By the end of the decade, there were dozens of Taco Bell locations across California, and the brand had become a recognizable force in the fast food industry. To fuel its expansion, Taco Bell embraced the franchise model. Like so many fast food visionaries similar to him, Glenn Bell understood the importance of partnering with entrepreneurs who shared his vision for bringing Mexican-inspired fast food to diverse communities. Franchising allowed Taco Bell to enter new markets and grow exponentially, making it one of the fastest-growing fast food chains of the era. Taco Bell's expansion was marked by several key milestones. In 1964, the 100th Taco Bell restaurant opened its doors, symbolizing the brand's widespread success. The expansion continued into new states, solidifying Taco Bell's presence beyond California. Notable moments such as the introduction of the Taco Bell Grande and the iconic Bell Beefer sandwich further added to the brand's popularity and recognition. PepsiCo enters the scene. One of the biggest breaks in Taco Bell's history came in 1978 when it was acquired by PepsiCo, a multinational food and beverage company. The acquisition was valued at $125 million and marked a strategic move for PepsiCo to diversify its portfolio by entering the fast food industry. This acquisition provided Taco Bell with the financial backing and corporate support needed for further expansion and innovation. Now, with the backing of an absolute juggernaut like PepsiCo, things were looking better than ever for Taco Bell. The financial resources and corporate infrastructure provided by them allowed Taco Bell to expand its footprint across the United States and internationally. This period saw the introduction of even more new menu items, marketing strategies, and innovations that pushed Taco Bell to new heights in the competitive fast food landscape. PepsiCo's influence also brought about some changes in Taco Bell's menu and marketing approach. New menu items, such as the introduction of the Mexican pizza and the innovative use of ingredients like Doritos and the Doritos Locos Tacos, helped keep things fresh at Taco Bell, helping them to stay ahead of culinary trends. Innovations and marketing. In 1975, Taco Bell made history when it pioneered what has now become a cornerstone of the fast food industry: drive-thru service. Gone were the days of needing to leave your car and wait inside the restaurant for your takeout. Now, customers were free to wait in line inside their vehicles and simply collect their food without ever setting foot inside the franchise. This innovation truly revolutionized the way customers ordered and received their food, offering unparalleled convenience and speed. From catchy slogans like "Make a run for the border" to memorable mascots like the Taco Bell Chihuahua, the brand always managed to effectively capture the attention of its target audience. Additionally, Taco Bell's promotional tie-ins with popular movies, sports events, and cultural phenomena further solidified its place in pop culture. Over the years, Taco Bell underwent a brand evolution that has reflected the changing consumer preferences and cultural trends. The brand embraced a more modern and vibrant aesthetic, reflected in its restaurant designs, packaging, and advertising. It's clear to see that Taco Bell's commitment to innovation extended beyond just its menu, shaping the overall brand experience for customers as a whole. Legacy of Taco Bell. As you can imagine, Taco Bell's legacy in the fast food industry is profound. As one of the very pioneers of Mexican-inspired fast food and cuisine-defining features like the drive-thru, Taco Bell really changed the game for the industry as a whole. Its influence can be clearly seen in the way other fast food chains have incorporated Mexican flavors into their menus and embraced concepts like order customization and drive-thru service. Glenn Bell's entrepreneurial spirit and vision continues to be celebrated in the business world. His ability to identify emerging trends and adapt to changing consumer preferences is what truly laid the foundation for Taco Bell's success. Today, Taco Bell remains a major player in the fast food landscape, with thousands of locations across the United States and around the world. Its menu continues to evolve, catering to diverse tastes and preferences while staying true to its Mexican-inspired roots. Its ability to innovate and stay relevant is the reason for its enduring legacy and continued relevance in the fast food industry. Hope you learned something from this video. Thanks for watching.